Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you how to access Signal on a PC running Windows 11. This method is super simple. What's required of you is to have the Signal app installed on your PC and also the Signal app installed on the phone. Afterwards, the last thing you have to do is bridge these devices via a QR code. But first of all, let's install Signal on Windows 11. To do this, just access your browser and then click on the link that I posted in the description below. As you can see, this is the official webpage for the Signal downloads. So make sure to click on the blue Download for Windows button, and afterwards make sure to decide the location for the download and click on the Save button. After the download is completed, just minimize the browser and make sure to double click on the installer file. Now you have to wait until the installation will occur. And as you can see, the instructions already show up on your PC. So the last thing you have to do is simply access the Signal app on your phone. Now, on the Signal app on your phone, what you have to do is simply tap on the profile picture to access the settings, and afterwards select the Linked Devices option. In the beginning, you'll see a message that says No devices linked. So what you have to do is simply tap on the blue plus button, and afterwards make sure to allow Signal to take pictures and record video. Now just make sure to point the phone camera towards the screen of your PC, and then simply scan the QR code. As you can see, the process is super fast. And lastly, you'll be asked to link this device, so just confirm by tapping on the Link Device button. Now you will simply be asked to choose this device's name, so just type in your name and then click on the blue Finish Linking Phone button. And that's it. Now you got Signal on your Windows 11 PC. Super simple, isn't it? As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.